Salut mes copains, ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous parler les articles indéfinis. Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you about the indefinite articles. If you have seen the last video where we have discussed 60 nouns or words in French, in front of each noun I had used an article, right? Today I'm going to tell you about these articles, right? Now they are very similar to the English articles a and the. So there are three types of article indefinite. First one is a, which is used for masculine singular nouns. Second is un, which is used for feminine singular nouns. And the third one is they, which is used for plural nouns, whether they are masculine or feminine. That does not matter, they should be plural. Okay? Now, let me give you some examples. Un crayon. A crayon is a masculine noun. Stylo is a masculine noun. Copains, thé, livre. These all are masculine nouns. So in front of these, we have used the article a. Okay? Now here, règle, gomme, fleur, chaise and boîte. They are all feminine nouns. So in front of them, I have used the article un. And here, all nouns are plural. It does not matter whether they are feminine or masculine, but they all are plural. They are ending in an S. So, in front of all these nouns, I have used the article they. Fine? How are they similar to a and the? A means a, and if the noun is starting with a vowel, the meaning changes to an. For example, for a masculine noun which is just starting with a vowel and a singular, we have hotel. So I have un hotel. So this becomes an hotel. Literal translation in French, right? And for this noun, feminine noun which is starting with a vowel, I have une école, a school. So here you see, this is starting with a vowel and we are using une because it's a feminine noun, and the literal translation would be an school. But obviously in English we won't say an school, but literal translation in from French to English would be an school, right? And whether they are feminine or masculine does not matter, they have to be plural, so we use they, and the meaning here becomes the. So the crayons, the pencils, the pens, the rulers or scales, the rubbers, and so on. I have listed only 5 examples here, but if you want more examples, you can go through a Word file whose link is given in the description box. Now, one thing I would like to add, how would you identify whether a noun is masculine or feminine? Well, 90% of the nouns which are ending with a consonant are masculine, and 90% of the feminine nouns end with a E. But French is a language of exceptions. You will find that there are certain words which end in E but are masculine, and there are certain words which do not end in E and they are feminine. Fine? For example, here also you can see livre and thé. They end with an E but they are masculine. And here you can see fleur. It ends with an R but it is feminine. But 90% of the times you will find that a word which is, or a noun which is ending in E is feminine, and a word or noun which is ending with a consonant is masculine. So that way, 90% of the time you can guess and can be right. All the rest of the words, the exceptions, you will have to remember. We'll talk about the exceptions in some other video. This is for today. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. See you next time. Over.